Get ready for a powerful journey through the world of engines. Did you know that some of the biggest and most iconic big block engines ever created can not only get your adrenaline pumping, but also survive the most challenging demands of the road? Did you imagine being behind the wheel of a real titan? Today, we will unveil the 20 engines that not only won hearts, but also redefined performance and durability in motorsport. Stay with us and discover which engine stands out as the true champion among these giants. We start our list at number 20, Chevrolet 572 Ci Big Block. Launched in 2001, the Chevrolet 572 Ci Big Block quickly won the hearts of modified car enthusiasts. Its robust design made it a true giant on the streets at an impressive 572 cubic inches and an incredible 709 horsepower. This engine is one of the largest available for cars, leaving many competitors in the dust. Designed to withstand extreme pressures, with the right maintenance, many owners report it can last over 150,000 miles. A worthwhile investment. Did you know that the Chevrolet 572 Ci is famous in drag racing? Its overwhelming power guarantees a performance that makes the competition tremble at the start. At number 19, Ford 427 Ci Fe, introduced in the 1960s. The Ford 427 Ci Fe is an icon in racing, being an essential part of legendary cars. Its performance is so impressive that it has won hearts and tracks for decades, something that every engine lover should know. With an impressive 427 cubic inches, this engine delivers between 500 to 600 HP, depending on configuration. Get ready for breathtaking explorations. Can you imagine the feeling when you turn the ignition key? Incredibly, many of these engines still roar on the tracks today. Restored, they can exceed 100,000 miles, proving that the Ford 427 Fe is more than a hunk of metal. It's a testament to durability and performance. The 427 Fe's rich automotive history makes it a favorite among collectors. Owning one of these engines is like owning a part of motorsport history. It's not just an engine, it's a legacy that lives in the veins of each enthusiast. At number 18, Chrysler 440 Super Commando. The Chrysler 440 Super Commando was a true titan of the 70s, winning muscle car hearts with its incredible performance and road presence. If you love speed, this engine is a symbol of automotive power. With an impressive 440 cubic inches, the 440 Super Commando generates up to 375 HP. Its colossal torque turns every acceleration into an exhilarating explosion, ready to feel this power. Incredibly durable, the 440 can easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. This has made it a favorite among restorers looking to revitalize legends on wheels. A true classic that stands the test of time. Famous for its powerful sound, the 440 is a symphony of power and adrenaline. While others try to imitate him, few can match his essence and charm. Are you ready to hear the roar of a true icon? At number 17, Chevrolet 454 Ci Big Block. Introduced in the 1970s, the Chevrolet 454 Ci Big Block quickly became the favorite choice for rugged trucks and powerful muscle cars. He was not just an engine, was an icon of American performance. At an impressive 454 cubic inches, this engine not only offered power up to 450 HP, it also promised an exhilarating driving experience full of explosive acceleration and growls of faith. Drivers were thrilled to learn they could cover more than 150,000 miles before facing a major overhaul. The Chevrolet 454 Ci was a true resistor, a road gladiator. It's no surprise that the Chevrolet 454 Ci Big Block appeared frequently in 1970s performance advertising vignettes, symbolizing power and freedom on wheels. Who has never dreamed of driving one of these monsters? At number 16, Dodge 426 HEMI. Launched in 1965, the Dodge 426 Hemi became a true symbol of performance and power in the world of racing. Its fame is revered by enthusiasts and competitors to this day. With an innovative hemispherical head design, this engine impresses by reaching up to 425 HP. A true monster under the hood, delivering unparalleled power to accelerate brutally. When well cared for, these engines can surpass the 100,000-mile mark in normal use, showing that ruggedness and reliability are in the Hemi DNA. A right investment for speed lovers, the Hemi has captured the tracks and the hearts of fans, especially in drag racing. Its incredibly efficient performance made many applaud, consolidating its legend among engines. At number 15, Oldsmobile 455 Ci rocket. The Oldsmobile 455 Ci rocket made history in the 70s, being a symbol of strength and smoothness when driving. For many, it represents the golden age of powerful, reliable engines that ruled the roads. With an impressive 455 cubic inches and up to 370 HP, this engine not only roared, but also offered a driving experience that many still remember with nostalgia. Its pure power under the hood. Designed to last, these engines can easily go 150,000 miles with proper care. A true proof of durability in a world where many engines cannot maintain themselves for so long. The rocket in the name isn't just an advertisement, represents the exceptional performance and innovation that defined an era. This engine was ahead of its time, leaving an indelible mark on automotive history. At number 14, Pontiac 400 Ci V8. The Pontiac 400 Ci V8 is a street legend, powering muscle cars like the Trans Am in the 70s. With its unmistakable roar, it made history on tracks and in American garages. This engine is no joke. It produces 330 to 370 HP from 400 cubic inches. It's pure power and performance that makes any enthusiast thrill. With the right care, the Pontiac 400 Ci V8 can easily exceed 200,000 miles. It is a true testament to durability and robustness. Famous for its racing performance, the Pontiac 400 Ci V8 still holds records in its class. Did you know that many drivers trusted this engine to win competitions? At number 13, Buick 455 Ci V8. Introduced in the 1970s, the Buick 455 is a legend among engines. Its high torque guarantees impressive acceleration, making your heart race as soon as you turn the ignition key. Who wouldn't want that power under the hood? With 455 cubic inches, this powerful V8 can deliver up to 360 HP, transforming any car into a performance machine. Have you ever imagined feeling that roar beneath your feet? This is pure adrenaline. With proper maintenance, the Buick 455 can easily surpass 150,000 miles, defying time and endurance. This engine is not only strength, but also durability. It will resist whatever you throw at it. Although it is one of the heaviest engines in its category, the Buick 455 delivers incredible performance. Imagine the combination of weight and power working in harmony. It's the perfect recipe for adventures on wheels. At number 12, Ford 460 Ci V8. The Ford 460 Ci V8 dominated the streets and highways in the 70s and 80s. It was the preferred engine for trucks and vans, impressing with the strength and reliability it offered for heavy everyday work. With an impressive 460 cubic inches, this engine delivered up to 400 HP, a power that made drivers feel the adrenaline with every acceleration, and left many competitors in the dust on the tracks. Drivers have praised the Ford for 60's durability, with many reporting that it has exceeded 200,000 trouble-free miles since being properly maintained. A true warrior who defied time. When compared to other V8 engines of the time, the Ford 460's numbers are simply impressive. It not only captured the market but also hearts, establishing a lasting legacy among motor fans. At number 11, Chevrolet 396 Ci Big Block. Appearing in 1965, the Chevrolet 396 Ci Big Block quickly became a legend among muscle cars, offering a perfect blend of power and excitement on the streets. At 396 cubic inches, this behemoth produces an impressive 325 to 425 HP, delivering acceleration that made drivers feel indestructible. Reports indicate that many 396 Ci engines get more than 100,000 miles before needing major repairs, a remarkable feat for any car lover. Car manufacturers of the time were looking for exceptional power, and the Chevrolet 396 Ci became the preferred choice, raising the bar for automotive performance. At number 10, Chrysler 426 HEMI. The Chrysler 426 Hemi isn't just an engine, he's a true racing icon. In NASCAR's heyday in the 1960s, he dominated the tracks, leaving an indelible impression on American automobile history. With an impressive 425 HP, the Hemi design is an engineering masterpiece. It combines efficiency with brute force, making any driver feel the adrenaline rush when turning the ignition key. They say these engines are so robust that they can survive an apocalypse. Many are still active, testifying to the exceptional durability that won the hearts of automotive enthusiasts. For all these reasons, the Chrysler 426 Hemi is undeniably one of the most iconic engines in American history, making motorsports lovers sigh with nostalgia and respect. At number 9, Chevrolet 502 CI Big Block. Introduced in the 1990s, the Chevrolet 502 CI Big Block quickly became a preferred choice among engine enthusiasts, especially in aftermarket models. A powerful heart for any project that seeks to impress. At an impressive 502 cubic inches, this engine is not only big, but also fierce, generating up to 502 HP. It's the definition of brute force under the hood, perfect for those who love to accelerate. Reports of this engine's durability are simply frightening. Many reach 100,000 miles or more. It's a testament to the engineering and robustness, ensuring it never lets you down. Looking for extreme power in classic cars? The Chevrolet 500 CI is a popular and respected choice. With it, your machine will not only run, but also reign on the road. Are you ready for this level of strength? At number 8, Ford 351 Windsor. The Ford 351 Windsor made history in the 1970s, powering a variety of Ford vehicles. With its robust performance, it became a symbol of power and reliability for many drivers of the time. With 351 cubic inches and up to 300 HP, this engine is a powerhouse. It offers impressive acceleration, making every ride an adrenaline-pumping experience, perfect for those who love speed. Drivers are happy to know that with regular maintenance, the Ford 351 Windsor can last between 150,000 and 200,000 miles. It's a true road warrior, prepared for long trips and adventures. Among classic customization enthusiasts, the 351 Windsor is a favorite choice. Its potential for classic car modifications has made it an icon among car lovers seeking customization and performance. At number 7, Chevrolet 327 CI V8. Introduced in 1962, the Chevrolet 327 CI V8 quickly became a symbol of performance in the industry. With its elegant lines and powerful roar, it has won the hearts of many motor enthusiasts. With power ranging between 210 and 375 HP, the 327 can be configured for any need, being a true chameleon. From smooth rides to thrilling races, it has the versatility every driver desires. An impressive feat, many 327-equipped vehicles still run after 300,000 miles. This proves the durability of this engine, exceeding expectations and challenges on the road. The 327 is loved for its lightweight and excellent balance of power and efficiency. It offers impressive acceleration without sacrificing economy, something many drivers value in their four-wheeled adventures. At number 6, Pontiac 455 V8. The Pontiac 455 V8 wasn't just an engine, it was the soul of 70s muscle cars, boosting power to levels that left speed enthusiasts ecstatic. Every acceleration was a promise of pure adrenaline. With 455 cubic inches and monstrous torque, this engine made any car dance on the track. He wasn't just a machine, it was a beast ready to devour asphalt and challenge limits. The reliability of the Pontiac 455 V8 won hearts. Many drivers claim it easily exceeded 150,000 miles, proving that durability and performance go hand in hand. Considered one of Pontiac's greatest engines, the 455 volts 8 is not just a piece of engineering, he's a living legend on the streets. Every turn of the engine is a testament to the legacy it left in the automotive world. At number 5, Mercedes-Benz 6.3 LV8. Launched in the late 1960s, the Mercedes-Benz 6.3 LV8 quickly became an icon in the world of luxury vehicles. Here's not just an engine, it is a statement of sophistication and performance. With an impressive 6.3 liters, it generates around 250 HP and 500 Newton-meters of torque. This brute force is enough to make any engine lover feel the adrenaline rush through their veins when accelerating. Surprisingly, many of these engines are still in working order, with over 200,000 miles on them. This proves that the quality and durability of Mercedes-Benz is unmatched. The 6.3 liters is often compared to sports engines, not only for its power, but also for the smooth running it provides. It's like driving a luxury car with the power of a real muscle car. At number 4, Lamborghini 5.2 LV10. Since the 2000s, the Lamborghini 5.2 LV10 has become a supercar legend, defying limits and expectations on every track. Have you ever felt the adrenaline of piloting one of these monsters? It's pure excitement under the hood. With an impressive 610 HP, this 5.2-liter V10 engine turns every acceleration into a spectacle. It's the RPM rate and the roar that makes the heart beat faster. Who doesn't want a piece of that power? Designed to withstand the most rigorous demands, this engine shines both in racing and in everyday life. He is the true partner of any driver who loves to feel the power in every corner. Used in several Lamborghini models, the 5.2 LV10 is synonymous with power and performance. No wonder fans of speed consider this engine a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Now we come to our top 3 on our list. Rolls-Royce 6.75 LV8. Created in 1959, the Rolls-Royce 6.75 LV8 is an icon known for its smoothness and refinement, a true masterpiece of automobile engineering. Can you imagine it gently roaring through the street? With an impressive 320 HP, this 6.75-liter engine offers pure elegance and performance. Are you ready to discover how an engine can be both a powerful machine and a status symbol? Mentioned as indestructible, the Rolls-Royce 6.75 LV8 can last over 300,000 miles with the right maintenance. Have you ever thought about having an engine that could accompany you throughout your life? Famous for its distinctive sound, it is the beating heart of the luxurious Rolls. A roar that speaks of power and opulence. Would you like to hear this engine in action? At number 2, BMW 4.4 LV8. The BMW 4.4 LV8 is proof that power and sophistication can coexist. This engine is installed in both the brand's luxurious sedans and robust SUVs, becoming the beating heart of different categories of flagship vehicles. With an impressive 4.4 liters, this giant can generate up to 500 HP in its high-performance versions. It's pure power unleashed, transforming any journey into a pure adrenaline experience. If properly cared for, this engine can be driven over 200,000 miles. Many drivers consider it a true mechanical fortress, defying expectations and breaking durability records on the streets. It's the standard engine in some of BMW's most iconic vehicles, like the M5 and X5. It is not just an engine, it is a symbol of innovation and representation of excellence in automotive engineering. And now, first on our list, Ford 5.0 LV8. Introduced in 1979, the Ford 5.0 liters V8 quickly became synonymous with power in muscle cars and trucks. Its roar is music to enthusiasts' ears, and its presence on the road cannot be ignored. A true legend on wheels, with power ranging from 305 to an impressive 420 HP, the Ford 5.0 LV8 guarantees excitement when you step on the accelerator. This engine turns every ride into a pure adrenaline experience, making you feel the street beneath your feet. Hearing stories from drivers who have exceeded 300,000 miles with this V8, it's clear that durability is one of its hallmarks. An engine that not only runs, but also survives the most varied journeys. So much popularity made the Ford 5.0 LV8 one of the most modified engines on the market. He helped define performance in the V8 world, making every modification an opportunity to improve this already incredible machine. So, engine lovers, which of these giants is your favorite? Or maybe you know of another iconic engine that should be on this list. Leave your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this, and activate the bell so you don't miss any news in our next posts.